Got a little bit hanging over the roof here. A little bit hanging over the fence. Time for action. Now I'm going to go up there and get that one. Here's the remains. I'm about to go chop that up. Dun, 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 dun. See that? Right over that fence. Now I'm going to start taking the logs down. One by one. Start over here with this side. Well, I already hauled most of this stuff off. But you can see how this is going. That's a wrap. Alid's gonna come haul this off later. That's all, folks. Tree's got a lot of ball moss in it. What I'm gonna do here is just thin that ball moss out. Thin out the canopy a little bit. Nice. I'm up here in the canopy of this oak tree. Live oak. Trying to give you a glimpse of all this undergrowth here. Ah, that's better. Yeah, you see that? What a difference. Not quite done, but just about. There's all the stuff I cut out of there. About to go paint those. What do you think?
Looks like $1 million. It really does.
Wonderful. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job.
And we're almost done here. Welcome to Storm Damage Austin. My job, clean it up. Damage to these crepe myrtles. And some over here as well. Wasn't too much damage to the house, luckily. So that when the trunk falls, it's going to fall and slide down this branch away from our friend, the air conditioner. If it does hit the AC, we've got all this padding for it. So hopefully this will work. Whew! That was tough. And the air conditioner is still intact. All I have left to do is clean this up. And I'm just finished cleaning up. Raked the yard out. And raking out the beds. I also went ahead and cleaned the porch up real nice. Chop those crepe myrtles off. They'll start sprouting right there where the cuts are. Woo! City has a brush pickup. They're gonna come pick this up. Alex, signing off. Bye bye. What do you think?
Looks like $1 million. It really does.